Hey, so I haven't really talked much about blues, Bluggoe, Java blue. They got a lot of different names. This rack is just coming ready. Look at that beautiful thing, right? And a lot of times they'll start to color in the center and travel out, but this one's kind of going normal, top hands. See how this thing's leaning at like a 45? This is something to get to know with Bluggoes, and that they all do that. They're all really prone to doing a 45 degree or at least like heavy lean, to the point where if you get really big wrecks, they can sometimes pull themselves out of the ground before they're quite ready. But blues are great potato, and they are great for vinegars and alcohol because they have a white flesh that doesn't really carry a banana flavor. It's just sort of sweet tart and very fluffy and berry-like. And the last ones that I turned into vinegar released a lot of water very easily. So yeah, I'm going to be taking these down and bringing them to market this weekend, and they should be perfect by Saturday morning. But yeah, Bluggoes, they're also great green waste. They're very abundant growers. They do have a bad habit of putting out aborted hands prolifically, kind of, at first, you might say. Like, for instance, with this group, my first few flushes of racks barely had any filled out fruit. They kind of aborted. And I don't know, maybe that's just because they needed to get their roots going, get a good corm. But now you see I'm getting really nice larger racks, and I don't know if I can zoom on that one right over there. Yeah, it'll let me zoom on that. But yeah, see, they're not aborting as much. The hands are filling out. So yeah, blues, good green waste, good vinegar, good potato, kind of a, all right but boring banana to eat when it's sweet. But they're fun, and they're fast growers, and they're very disease resistant. Bluggoes and Sabah, honestly, both tend to resist a lot of the nasty stuff. So if you're having trouble with other disease that's taking away your other bananas, you might try Sabah or Bluggoe. Ooh, I got a flower coming out on that one. Yeah. Anyway, just wanted to talk about blues because I'm about to chop this bugger down. And maybe we'll see you at market. Aloha.